lenders who often specialize in financing in used cars for borrowers with poor or thin credit histories. They justify their use as a necessary tool to manage their financial risk. Car's their property till it's paid off. However, when the CFPB investigated this and other regulators dug into it, they've consistently found that these tools were and are frequently deployed in abusive and unethical manner, and often illegal ways to create immense hardship on consumers. This is an ugly surprise. The most immediate and dangerous feature is the remote disablement of the vehicle.